Hi, in this video we will see the third case of OLL. And the third case of OLL is when you have only a single piece, a single yellow piece on the top in the corners, and when you place this corner piece towards your left and front side, and you find a headlight on the right corner side. This is the case 3. So again, when you have only one corner piece which have a yellow, and when you place this corner piece towards your left front corner, and you have a headlight in front side in this right corner. So how to solve it? Keep this headlight in front of you towards the right side like this. We have already have. So to solve it, we will do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2 and R prime. So see, after doing this step, we are able to complete the OLL, and all the colors on this layer are same. So this is how we solve this case. Thank you.